Wood floor discoloration from sunlight exposure unevenly distributed? You gotta know how to handle it before your floors look all patchy and weird. So, first off, blocking out some of that harsh sun with UV window film is clutch because it cuts down on the rays that mess with your wood floors. You can also throw down some area rugs in spots where the sun hits hardest, which not only protects but adds some style. Rearranging your furniture every now and then helps spread out the wear so one spot isn't looking way older than the rest. If you notice discoloration already happening, a light sanding and refinishing can even things out, but be careful not to overdo it or you'll mess up your floor's finish. Keeping your floors clean without harsh chemicals is key since those can mess with the wood's color too. For extra protection, using furniture pads stops scratches that can catch dirt and look ugly next to faded spots. Don't forget to close curtains or blinds during peak sunlight hours when you're not home to protect your floors without sacrificing style. Finally, pick wood stains or finishes that have UV protection built in if you plan to refinish or install new flooring. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wood floor discoloration from sunlight exposure is ignoring the problem until it gets bad, which makes repairs way more expensive and annoying. Another common issue is using harsh cleaners or waxes that strip the floor's protective finish, making it fade faster. Switch to gentle, wood-safe products instead. Lastly, a lot of folks don't bother with UV window films or curtains, thinking it won't make a difference, but trust me, blocking those rays early saves your floors a ton of trouble down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to fixing up floors or any other home projects. It's also a great way for contractors to connect with people who actually need their skills and want good work done without the hassle.